We all transfer money. Yes. Now, this is a very simple example, which will also show you how blockchain creates the big difference and why it is revolutionary. Now, this is a traditional way of transferring. Yeah, you open your website, you open your tab, internet, WhatsApp, whatever. You can transfer money, GPay, whatever. You can do all that. You are doing that because it is connected to a bank account, correct? You have to link any of the Paytms or your money transfer facilities all through the bank. Not at all bad. Nothing wrong with it. It's perfect. That's how the systems work. But there's always a third party. There's a bank or a Visa or a MasterCard, American Express, Diners, Western Union, Stripe, whatever. So there are lots of them. Your data goes from here to here via a bank. Sure, no problem. So your data is now with you, with a bank, with a clearing bank, and with her. No worries. It's also centralized in one place. What happens now, when the blockchain technology came along with Bitcoin, Bitcoin was the use case of blockchain. What happened? What happened? I can transfer money. I don't need the bank. I got this guy out, right? And now my data, instead of being right here in one place, boom, right across the globe in different blocks. What does it mean? It became disintermediated. There is no intermediary. Here the bank is gone. Any intermediary is gone. And this is one of the fundamentals of blockchain again. Distributed. It is not in one place. Second fundamental of blockchain is decentralized. All eggs in one basket. Now, all the eggs in different baskets. And therefore is called trustful and programmable trust.